Now as for this plastic, I'm not quite sure if that's going to be a code issue for you or not, but in this one, you saw in that other area that I was at, there's plastic on that whole thing. Then it wraps up that little concrete stem wall, and they extended it over this direction. It actually goes underneath the bottom plate of that little cripple wall, and then it comes out and it stops right there. And then when you look over here, there's more plastic here that goes from here up this way, and then there's no plastic here in the middle, is there? I'm not quite sure the reasoning and what the code is here, anything like that. If you've got questions about that, ask your local building department or your local inspector if you're building a house or whatever. Make sure you do it the way they want.
Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.